Child pornography clients are generally the most difficult for me to represent because I have sitting in front of me someone who, but for these allegations, is a good, decent, honest, hardworking person. The person sitting in front of me is always scared because of the prospect of going to prison, as well as the fact that their family, friends, and loved ones know about these allegations and they might have to register as a sex offender. The first thing I do with the child pornography client who's charged with child pornography is I explain to them how the federal system works. I explain to them that the federal system is no longer as harsh as it used to be, when anyone charged with child pornography would receive a 20 to 30-year sentence just off the bat. In today's world, the judges tend to look at a child pornographer with all of the elements that make up the person, which is exactly what you want. I had a case where a client of mine, a priest, was charged with possession of child pornography, and I was able to show the judge that the client had extenuating circumstances, and the judge gave him probation. In the federal system, it's important to be aggressive, but with child pornography cases, I tend not to be as aggressive because the real issue is whether or not the search warrant is valid. That's really what it comes down to. I had a case where the search warrant wasn't good. The agent made a bunch of mistakes on the search warrant, and the case for my client pretty much went away. In child pornography cases, what's important is to hire a good psychologist, someone who can talk to my client, explain to the judge what's going on in my client's head to hopefully get a reduced sentence. And I've been very successful in these kind of cases using the right psychologist for the right client and the right case. In child pornography cases, I try to meet with the client at least once a month because I want the client to see that I care about them, that I haven't forgotten them, and I'm going to fight for them because that's what they deserve.